Jira by default comes with a certain amount of fields that they use with their certain processes. However, you probably need to add some more fields into your Jira project for your reporting. By creating some custom fields, you can enhance your reporting. Jira provides a whole bunch of out-of-the-box fields which you can use. So we've got select list, we've got date picker, checkboxes, number field, etc. So what now? Right now, I'm just going to select the select list single choice. I'm going to give it a name. And now I'm going to put some values for the drop-down list. So this field will now be available for me to put onto my projects so users can select the different values below. And this is what screen I want that field to be put on. And I'll just click update. And that's how simple it is to create custom fields in Jira.